Dear students, today my class is 8th class Max chapter 5 Data Handling Exercise 5.1. Before going to this class, kindly subscribe King Classroom for Max and computer online classes. And the YouTube link is https youtube.com www.youtube.com/King Classroom. Okay. Now coming to the class, 8th class Max chapter 5 data handling exercise 5.1. So data handling is mainly in daily life we can face these types of problems. So first problem exercise 5.1. For which of these would use the histogram to show the data? A. The number of the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. The B. The height of competitors in an athletic meet. And C. The number of cassettes produced by uh, 5 companies. The number of passenger boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at station. Give reasons for each. Solution. For solution, a histogram can be defined as a set of rectangles with bases along with the intervals between the class boundaries. Each rectangle bar depicts some sort of data and all the rectangles are adjacent. It is the graphical representation of data where data is grouped into continuous number ranges and each range corresponds to a vertical bar. Okay. A. The point is the number of areas can be represented in terms of class intervals. So we cannot use the histogram to show the data. B, this one. A means this one. The number of letters for different areas in postman bag. We cannot use the histogram to show the data. B, height of competitors can be divided into intervals. So we can use the histogram here. Okay, height can be divided. Histogram here. What? For example, 150 height 150 centimeters to 160, number of competitors 10, and 160 to 170 centimeters height 12, 170 centimeters to 180 centimeters 5 members, 180 to 190 2 members. Now third point is company cannot be divided into class intervals. So we cannot use histogram here. So a particular interval data can be shown in histogram. Okay. So companies cannot be divided into class intervals. D. The time of boarding the train can be divided into intervals. So we can use a histogram here. For example, train numbers. Train time in hours, number of passengers. Okay. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. 1500 members. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. 2000 passengers. 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. 1000 passengers. 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. 800 passengers. In the way histogram can be shown. We use the histogram for cases B and D. They can be divided into class intervals. Okay. A and C cannot be divided into class intervals. So second problem. The shoppers the shoppers who came to the departmental store and marked as man M, woman W, boy B and girl G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. So WW like that, G, B boys for B for boys, W for women, G for girls, M for man. like this the data is given. Make frequency distribution table using tally marks. Draw a bar graph to illustrate it. Solution. Here the solution, a frequency distribution source the frequency repeated items in a graphical form or tabular form. Now the frequency distribution table. The frequency distribution table is shown as follows. Shopper, tally marks, number of shoppers. Here women W 28 members. Total W's are in this list is 28, like this. If you count W's, 20 is 28. So 28 can be represented as tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4 and bar is 5. 4 a underline taking on the middle, that is 4 plus underline and a middle draw line can be counted as another one. So 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9 draw line 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, draw line 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, draw lines 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, 28 members draw. And four vertical lines and one strikeout line count like this. Tally marks 5 marks. 5 marks. 5 marks. So four another lines strike out, four another lines strike out center of the 4, that means another 5, like that. Here simply look at this. Man are 15, count the man, the m 15. Here now we count 1 2 3 4. This one is 4. 4 one strikeout is 5. So 6 7 8 9 strikeout is 10. 11 12 13 14 strikeout is 15. Boys are 5. Simply this is the pattern, real pattern. You can easily understand. Tally marks drawing, tally marks can be divided. So 1 2 3 4 and strike out 1, that means 5. 1 2 3 4 strike the vertically middle of the lines, that means 5, count like that. Okay, here girls 12 members. Here 2 strikes and 8 vertical lines, 10 and 2 vertical lines only. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, sorry, 1 2 3 4 strike 1, that is 5. 6 7 8 9 strike 1, that is 10 and single lines 2, so 12, total 16. In the way tally marks can be represented. And the illustration of the data using bar graph is shown as follows. 1 unit is equal to 5 people, so 5 people can be this 2, this 5 and 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 number of people. Man 15, woman 28, boy 5 members, girl 12 members. 12 means 10 to 15, middle of this 12. Shoppers and number of peoples. Third problem. Okay, second problem is completed. Third problem. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are 830, like this. This is the data. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals as 80 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. Solution. A frequency distribution shown the frequency of repeated items in a graphical form or a tabular form. The representation of data by frequency distribution table using tally marks is as follows. Okay, this is the table. You can easily understand. 800 to 810, only 3 members. 3 members frequency. Class intervals 800 to 810. Like we will count this 800, 810 this one, and 1 is there, and this one, and 800, 82, and 800, 82, and somehow only 3, 806. This is the 800. 3 only 3 is between 800 to 810. Like this count, and all of them 810 to 820 only 2, and 820 to 830, only one member, one single vertical bar. 830 to 849 members, here 4 strike lines, 1 2 3 4 vertical, and horizontal one line, that is 5, and 4, total 9. 840 to 855, so simply you can understand like this: 1 2 3 4 5. Each can be separated with 5 5 5, 4 verticals and 1 horizontal separated. 5 850 to 860, only 1, and 860 to 870, only 3 members, and 870 to 880, only 1, and 890 to 880 to 890, only 1, and 890 to 900, only 4 members, total 30. In the way tally marks can be represented, 4 to 1. So draw a histogram, same question. Answer the following. First one, same table, and which group has maximum number of workers? First one. Second one, how many workers earn 850 rupees and more? Uh, Third one, how many workers earn less than 850? Solution. A histogram can be defined as a set of rectangles with bases along with the intervals between class boundaries. Each rectangle bar depicts some sort of data in all rectangles are adjacent. It is a graphical representation of data where data is grouped into continuous number ranges, and each range corresponding to a vertical bar. So a histogram drawn below like this. Unit number of workers like this, 1 to 0 to 10, each has one interval, and 800, 810, 820, 830, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890, 900. 3 members, 800 to 810, and 822 members like this one. First one, we can draw histogram like this, bar graph. Histogram is nothing but bar graph. First one, 830 to 840 group has maximum number of workers, because 830 to 840 has 9 members. Okay, 10 workers can earn more than 850. 850 means this one. Count this. 850. 1. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and this one is 4. 10. Total 10. 20 workers earn less than 850. Like this. Less than 850 means this one 5, this one 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 2, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 800 to 810 is 3, 17 plus 3, 20. So this is the solution. And the last one, fifth one, the number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television during the holidays is shown through the given graph. Okay, here students, this one students, this is the number, interval is 5 minutes, each 5, 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, 35, and hours 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 7 hours base. Here the data already given. Here the data already number is given. Okay. Answer the following. Hours in watch per day is this one. Answer the following. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Second one. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? How many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV? Same before problem like that. This problem is also. This problem is also before problem. Solution. The histogram can be defined as a set of rectangles with bars along with the intervals between class boundaries. Each rectangle bar depicts some sort of data and all the rectangles are adjacents. It is a graphical representation of data where data is grouped into continuous number ranges and each range corresponding to the vertical bar. This is the histogram definition. Okay. First one, maximum number of students watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. Look at this graph. 4 to 5 hours is the 32 members. So maximum number watching 4 to 5 hours. Okay. This one 4 to 5 hours, 32 members. Second one, 34 students watch TV for less than 4 hours. So 34 students watch TV for less than 4 hours. That means 3 to 4 means 22. 22 plus 2 to 3 is 8. 22 plus 8, 30. 1 to 2 is 4. 34. And 14 students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV. 14 students about this 14. More than 5 means 8, 5 to 6 is 8 and 6 to 7 is 6. 8 plus 6, 14. So this is the solution for exercise 5.1. Thank you to watch complete video and like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel.